Hello everyone. For today's video, we will talk about one of the social media platform that can help you make more money and grow your business. So guys, if you were new in this channel and if you're interested of making money and ideas, inspiration, so this is perfect for you. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga topic natin, hit like and also the bell notification para if we have new video to release, ma-notify kayo. In today's world, social media plays a very important factor, especially if you wish to make more earnings or grow your business without or in the absence of advertising media like television, radio, or newspapers. So, pwede mo nang marating ang pinaka dulo-dulong customer ng bansa or even internationally. So, not only nationally. So, napaka widely used ng social media. So, if you wish to make more money and grow your business. So social media nowadays is a very effective marketing strategy and it's a very cost effective. So napakatipid. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos na malaki sa advertising para magkaroon ng maraming customer or guest. Hindi katulad nung araw before. So you have to spend a lot of money in advertising like kung mag-advertise ka sa newspaper, so it was measured by, I guess, by centimeter or inches. So babayaran mo yon kapag pinost nila yon sa mga dyaryo. So gayon din sa television or sa TV, kung gusto mong mag-advertise, so you have to spend a lot of money. Like kasi babayaran mo yung every seconds na ipopost nila yung advertising mo, especially dun sa mga prime time na mga channel. Tapos ganun din sa radyo para ma-reach mo yung maraming mga customer para i-advertise mo yung business mo, magbabayad ka rin. And yung social media platform na sinasabi ko dito, ituturo ko rin sa inyo kung paano mag-create. Like YouTube channel, so ang tinutukoy ko rito is yung Facebook page. So itong Facebook page guys is totally different from your personal account kasi itong Facebook page ay widely used ng mga vlogger, ng mga sa entertainment, personal vlogs, especially sa business. So most of the business is now in Facebook. Isa ito sa pinaka widely used na social media platform nowadays, nationally, internationally. So halos lahat ngayon may Facebook. Kahit yung mga nagtitinda lang ng barbecue dyan, pinopost nila yung mga binibenta nilang product sa Facebook page. And or if you are into online business, so napaka cost effective nito, so napaka gandang platform. So personal experience, so actually we are into cake business. So way back 2018 nag-start lang kami ng mag-post ng mga dalawang pictures ng cake example namin. So from that time until today, so nagkaroon kami ng mga patron. So may mga nagpa-patronage na sa product namin kahit di na namin i-post. Kusa na silang nagme-message. So napakahalaga nitong Facebook page na to kasi doon na rin sila nagme-message, tapos may mga engagement, tapos pinopost mo yung mga activity nyo or yung mga umorder sa inyo. So nakikita nila na yung mga in-order nila is nakapost na rin. So, napakagandang engagement sa customer. Tapos, um, nai um, nai-recommend ka pa nila sa mga friends nila or sa mga kaibigan at pamilya. So dito kahit hindi ka na magpagawa nung mga calling card kasi noon uso yung calling card eh. So kahit saan ka magpunta may calling card. Ngayon ibibigay mo na lang Facebook page mo, titingnan na nila. At magandang engagement kasi andun yung mga pictures, andun yung mga video, nakikita nila yung performance mo, pati yung portfolio mo. So hindi mo na kailangang i-discuss sa kanila, sabihin mo lang visit mo yung page, so makikita na nila lahat kung anong klaseng produkto yung binebenta mo. And magkakaroon sila ng tiwala, so nagkakaroon ng trust yung mga customer kasi nakikita nila yung portfolio mo. So, mahalaga talaga itong social media platform kasi naipo-promote or nai-advertise mo yung mga product mo or yung skills mo. Kasi kahit gaano ka kagaling or kahit gaano ka ka-efficient sa mga ginagawa mo or sa business mo, kung wala namang nakakaalam, paano ka makakakuha ng customer? Paano nila malalaman yung ganong kakagaling kung gaano ka kasarap magluto ng pagkain or gumawa ng cake or gaano ka kagaling sumayaw, di ba? So itong social media platform na napakahalaga. It's not about how you are good in what you are doing. This is all about how you advertise. So how you show to the customer or to the other people how good you are. And if you're not familiar what is Facebook page, kung Facebook ka lang or your personal Facebook, so dito ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng Facebook page. So napakadali lang, so sundan nyo lang yung video tutorial. It's a 1-minute tutorial, just follow the cursor and here we go. Just click lang yung 3 lines sa upper right corner ng page Facebook mo and then click yung page. So maroute ka dito sa create button. So dito itatype mo na yung Facebook page name mo. So yan, kukumpletuhin mo lang yung after that, i-click mo lang yung next. And then dito sa portion na to, hanapin mo lang yung category na best describes sa page mo. Tapos kumpletuhin mo lang yung mga information like address. And then yung kung mayroon kang website, ilagay mo dyan. So once you have completed all the details, so you're good to go. And then click mo lang yung next and then you have now your brand new Facebook page. Okay, so yan na yung Facebook page. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Kung interested kayo na mga idea all about how to make money or strategy or mga inspiration, so watch out guys for our next video and see you next time.